spot turns. Spot turn. So how to do that beautiful figure in rumba? So number one, so start with the side step, elevate your rib cage. Now we have a little bit the feel of the hip twist. So like a slight hip twist with a slight change of direction. Then we step forward. Now from here we're doing a forward walk turning. So as we step forward, we step between our, we place our weight between our legs. Now as we're getting over our foot, we're gonna do a brushing action with our other foot. And from here we step. Now from here we replace our weight forward, collect our feet under, and we're having step to the side. And exactly the same will be on the other side. So we go from the side step. So we have a little bit collection. So we collect, we step forward, and as we continue with our weight change, we're brushing our foot and replacing our weight. Collect, step to the side. So let's do it again. So we have and 2 and 30 and 4 1 and 2 and 30 and 4 1. So number one, I want you to focus when you do any type of rotations on your upper body, your shoulders and rib cage. So as we start going to the side, from here already start with your upper body, start turning, and that will help to activate your hip. Now, as you step forward already here, leave the hips at the same place, but start turning your shoulders. And that will help you to create that beautiful brushing effect. Now from here, continue changing your shoulders, and that will lead you to the side step. So using this type of movement and then hips. So upper body, then hips will help you to understand this figure. So this is a spot turn. So let's see how we can dance it together. So when we dance together, connection will be very important. So this hand, so my right and the follower's left arm will be very important. So from here, as we're doing that hip twist here, we connect, and it's going to be our support. Later on, when here we separate, we can push away from each other and immediately connect back with our another arm. So in this case, going to be left arm and the right arm of my partner. And 2 and 3 and 4 1. So if you look closer to the leg actions, so we have and we collect, step forward, 2 pivot, and 3 replace side, 4 1 and 2 and 30 and 4 1. Okay, so follower steps and leader steps are exactly the same, so I'll demonstrate. So start on the side step with the high hip, and as you transfer weight, we start changing our hip to the side and already start activating your shoulders. And so that's your beginning. And then we step forward, and this is forward walk turning. So we're stepping forward, and we have a little bit brushing effect. Now from here, this foot brushing through the middle, but doesn't stop, go immediately to the next step. We replace weight, collect, and then we're stepping to the side. Then we repeat exactly the same process from the other side. And 2 and 30 and 4 1. So this is your spot turn.